Here in Atlanta, people are making their voices heard over health care issues being debated on Capitol Hill. Supporters are urging Senator David Perdue to stand up for health care and protect people with pre-existing conditions. CBS 46's Vince Sims joins us live with just how important this is to certain families. Vince.
All right, they really just wanted to get a message to Senator Perdue to basically say that repealing the Affordable Care Act and pre-existing conditions protections would hurt Georgia families.
Yesterday marked the 14th anniversary of my kidney transplant.
Nancy Larson celebrated that milestone with her family, but she wasn't always sure she'd be around for them.
Until the passage of the ACA, I lived in fear of not being able to maintain that health. And now I feel like I'm on shaky ground again, just not knowing what's going to happen.
Larson wants legislators on Capitol Hill to keep protections in place so insurance can't deny people with pre-existing conditions. Renee Curlin is another who had a serious medical condition and was on a COBRA plan between jobs. She was able to get coverage through the Affordable Care Act just 10 days before her COBRA expired.
The potential for my hospitalization is pretty high, and so yeah, I could have had medical bills that would have forced me into bankruptcy.
Real Georgian struggles.
That's why Curlin and Larson joined others in a rally outside Senator David Perdue's Buckhead office. They're rallying against what they call the GOP's relentless efforts to repeal and sabotage health care. They delivered a book to his office of 100 Georgians' health stories about how the ACA and pre-existing protections help them.
That's over 25 million Americans have a pre-existing condition, and if they can't get access to health care, then we are just making Americans sicker.
I reached out to Perdue's office for a reaction to these concerns. A spokeswoman said in a statement, Senator Perdue has led the effort to lower costs, increase competition, expand choices, and ensure people with pre-existing conditions are protected no matter what. Unfortunately, Democrats refuse to work across the aisle to fix this broken system. For these people, they just want to be heard.
I would say, Senator Perdue, please acknowledge all of the citizens.
Now, his office also pointed out the fact he was a co-sponsor of the Protection Act, and that was a bill that was passed to help with pre-existing conditions regardless of any changes that might be made to the ACA. Reporting live, I'm Vince Sims, CBS 46 News.